Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today, look at this massively gorgeous 67 Chevelle SS convertible, baby. This thing is sick. Really straight body. Really good paint. Wheels and tires look great. And interior is just spitting clean. I mean, you could probably eat off this car. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And she cranks real strong. She drives real strong, which you'll see in just a moment. Yeah, no rips, no holes, no tears. Just a gorgeous car. So let's fire her up and then we'll take it for a spin. These down, go in latchment. So the first thing you'll notice about driving this car is the power steering feels amazing. You got the bigger steering wheel. I love how it's an SS wheel too. It's just really pretty. But it just feels phenomenal. And look at my hands off the wheel, we're going nice and straight. We're floating. And I'll open her up here a little bit from second, see how she does. Oh yeah, she's running really strong, guys. Really strong, shifting smooth. We're not all over the road. Let's do a quick brake check actually. Perfectly straight, my hand is off the wheel. So, really nice driver. Let's make a U-turn, head back to the shop.